Alright, so this is the next update in my project. Everything's the same setup wise for as last time. No new hardware has been connected. The changes that I made were programming related. Last update showed the keyboard working with the LCD, and then a quick, setting of the alarm going off. So what I did this time was I added functionality for the keyboard to arm and disarm the alarm, the PIR sensor. So I found out that I couldn't really do this with just one password to arm and disarm it. So what I did was I created two different passwords, one to arm the system and one to disarm the system. So, when the thing first boots up, it's, in a disarm state. So, you type, it says on the screen to type the password in. So I set the ARM password to 1234. So it's hard to see 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll press star to confirm it. So we'll say success without the glare. System armed. So now if we go back over here, if I was to put my hand in front of the PR sensor, the light will go on. You should hear a little beeping sound. So, yep, see how that activated it. Now, so the light is the main object for testing this, because I couldn't get the the piezo buzzer to make a continuous sound yet. So I'm just demonstrating this with the light to go on and off when the system has been armed or disarmed. So it doesn't really matter since the light's off now, but said I just put on the screen there, it'll say motion detected and intruder. So if we wanted to disarm this now, since it was set off, I would type in the other password that I created to disarm the system, which I just set to 4321. So it'll be much like the other one. It'll show up on the screen 3, 2, 1. And this one, to confirm, I'll press the pound symbol. So, and yeah, actually, the light went off. I have to show that again, but now it's now it's back, disarmed. So we'll be back to square one. Arm the system. Type the password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Success. So system armed. Trigger it. So motion detected. Intruder. So now we want to disarm it. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see how the light's still on. So I'll press the pound symbol. See, it went off. Success. System disarmed. So then I'll just go back to square one again. And yeah, if you type in the wrong password and try to confirm it, I'll just say wrong password. So we'll just type in the right password again. Confirm, success, and I added this too if the password fails when you try to disarm it. So we'll set it off again. Motion detected, intruder. Sorry for the glare. So now we want to disarm it, so we'll just type in a random password, try to confirm it. But nope, see, it's not the right password. So it will deny me, so they'll see the alarm's light's still on, still intruder in the house. So, it says, I just made it set on the screen, type password to disarm the system. So we type in the 4, 3, 2, 1, press confirm, and that goes off, success, and system disarmed. So this probably would be more a little fluid if the piezo buzzer was working properly, but I mean, you saw the light goes off, so it works fine. So basically, in my next aspect is probably to add some other PIR sensors and a proximity sensors, and maybe try to get this same functionality working with them, and maybe divide them into zones so you can turn all of them on or certain ones on and off with those passwords I just did for this. But this was a major step because I figured out a way to get it to disarm and disarm, but by using 2 different passwords. So my next step would be figure out a way to do zoning with some more sensors, and that'll probably be in the next update. So, all right, thanks for listening.